Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a time you used your cell phone/smartphone to do something important. You should say, what happened? When it happened? How important the cell phone/smartphone was? And explain how you felt about the experience. I once booked an urgent train ticket for my relative using my smartphone, which was a really significant task. My cousin had to make an urgent trip from Delhi to Mumbai for a job interview around a year ago. He had intended to purchase the ticket in advance, but he totally forgot about it because of some unanticipated events. He became anxious the night before his trip when he discovered that he had no confirmed ticket, as skipping the interview could have cost him a fantastic career opportunity. I quickly pulled out my smartphone and began looking through several railway booking applications because it was late at night and all travel companies were closed. The majority of the tickets were either reserved or on the waiting list due to the limited availability. But after a few tries, I was able to use an online train ticketing facility to get a tackle ticket. He could now proceed with his scheduled trip, which was a great relief. He boarded the train without any problems after I promptly sent him the e-ticket over WhatsApp. It is impossible to exaggerate how crucial my smartphone is in this scenario. Without it, it might have been too late when we finally found a substitute in the morning. My phone was a priceless tool because it allowed me to check the availability of tickets in real time, pay online, and get an immediate confirmation in only a few minutes. I became aware of how drastically technology has changed our lives as a result of this event. Knowing that I could use my phone to aid someone in need made me feel like I had accomplished something. It further strengthened my conviction that smartphones may be life-saving devices in an emergency and are not only for amusement.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.